How to use EasyBlank. Thank you for choosing EasyBlank, the industry's first free-to-download blank shape optimization and nesting tool built on AutoForm technology. This is a short instructional video on how to use the EasyBlank software application. Once EasyBlank has been launched, you are ready to begin by importing your file in the IGES or VDA format. This is always the first step when using EasyBlank. The file appears on the screen. It may have been a solid part or a single surface. In either case, EasyBlank will handle the file. You are able to assign material properties either from the predefined library or you may specify your own. Fill in the material thickness in the appropriate box. Click on the part to rotate it in any direction. And don't forget to select the correct surface. That's the first step. Next, click the Analysis tab at the top. This step involves EasyBlank performing some basic analysis, which will report to you thinning results as a percentage of original thickness. We then move on to blank shape calculation. Quite quickly, you see that EasyBlank has created a blank shape on your screen. It is possible to adjust the perimeter for any extra material that may be required when considering the process of forming your particular part. Click here to display the part together with the blank shape. The next step is nesting. EasyBlank allows you to nest this blank layout into a coil of steel. There are several parameters that can be adjusted, including the minimum and maximum width, edge material, and maximum pitch. It's possible to enter the cost of steel in order to calculate a per-part blank shape cost. You may select how you wish to embed the shape and, of course, can change the orientation and angle of the orientation either manually or by allowing EasyBlank to optimize the angle for you. You are able to enter in a negative value for the bridge span, which will produce an overlapping shape. You can see in 2D and 3D view whether or not the part is affected. Corresponding areas are marked in red. It is also possible to nest the blank as two-ups. Essentially, you will want to play with the blank orientation until you maximize the material utilization to give you the lowest possible blank cost for your part. Each time you select an input, EasyBlank calculates in real time, as can be seen by the progress bar down at the bottom of the screen. Finally, select the Report tab. When ordering your IGES CAD file and the results in a report, EasyBlank allows you to set up the images you would like to appear on the report. There are 4 images whose views can be customized. Click the image you wish to replace, adjust the view, and confirm by pressing the Replace button. Alternatively, use the top toolbar to select other options such as Fit to Window or Zoom. What you have seen on your screen thus far has been completely free of charge.
However, if you'd like to obtain detailed nesting parameters, including calculated coil width and pitch, total material cost, and scrap value, you will need to make an online purchase.
The online purchase will also provide you with the blank shape that was produced on the screen as an IGES CAD file, which can be used as a starting point for blank development at your first tryout.
Enter the name of the part, the number of the parts to be produced, and the scrap value. These values are used for calculation purposes and appear later in the report.
Purchasing the results allows you to use them for commercial purposes.
If you already have an account, click on the Order Report button to make an online purchase. Otherwise, register with EasyStamping.com by clicking the Register link.